This is the Cradle Me 4-in-1 carrier. There are 4 modes of use. Here's how to put it into the baby facing out mode. First, fasten the buckle in the back. Slip your hands through the 2 shoulder straps and slide the carrier over your head. Take the waist belt, put it on your hips, and buckle it in the back. Hold tight. Hold the 2 straps at your arms so the carrier is nice and secure. Check to make sure everything is comfortable. For the infant facing out mode, the first thing we're going to do is locate the 2 blue loops at the bottom and attach them to the buttons. Next, we're going to take the infant head support and rotate it down. Attach it to the bottom button. Now you're all ready for baby. Holding baby with one hand, attach the 2 top straps. And then now you're going to attach the 2 buckles on the side. Then reposition baby so he's nice and comfortable. Tighten all your straps, and you're ready to go.